What if I told you there's a technique actors and language experts use to sound almost native in any language? It's called shadowing, and today I'll show you exactly how to use it to improve your English pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. Stay till the end, because I'll also give you a simple daily shadowing plan you can start today. Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and repeating what they say at almost the same time, copying their tone, rhythm, and pronunciation as closely as possible. It's not about translating. It's not even about understanding every single word right away. It's about training your mouth, ears, and brain to move the same way a native speaker does. Think of it like a shadow, following a person's movements. You're following the speaker's voice, staying just slightly behind them, copying everything they do with their voice. Here's why this technique is so powerful. When you shadow, you're not just learning words. You're training the actual muscles in your mouth and tongue to produce English sounds naturally. You're also training your ear to recognize the rhythm and stress patterns of English, which are often very different from other languages. This is exactly how actors learn accents for movies, and how many fluent second language speakers developed their natural-sounding pronunciation. The best part is, you don't need to understand grammar rules to do this. Your brain absorbs patterns automatically through repetition. Step 1. Choose a short audio or video clip, ideally 1 to 2 minutes long, spoken by a native English speaker. Good sources include news clips, podcast segments, short movie scenes, or TED Talks. Choose something with clear pronunciation and a topic you find interesting. As a beginner, pick content that's spoken at a normal or slightly slow pace. You can move to faster content as you improve. Step 2. Before you say anything, just listen to the clip 2 or 3 times. Focus on the overall meaning, the speaker's tone, and where they pause or emphasize certain words. Don't worry about understanding 100% of it. Just get a general feel for how it sounds. Step 3. Now play the clip again, and this time, speak along with it, just a fraction of a second behind the speaker. Try to match their speed, their pauses, and their intonation, meaning where their voice goes up or down. Don't worry if you can't catch every single word perfectly at first. The goal is to copy the sound and rhythm, not to be word perfect immediately. If it feels too fast in the beginning, that's completely normal. You can slow the audio down using apps or YouTube's playback speed setting, and gradually increase the speed as you improve. Step 4. Repeat the same clip 5 to 10 times. Each time, try to get a little closer to the original speaker's rhythm and tone. Here's a powerful tip. Record yourself shadowing and then play it back next to the original clip. Listen for the differences. Where did your pronunciation sound different? Where did your rhythm feel off? This comparison is one of the fastest ways to improve, because you can literally hear the gap between your English and the native speaker's English, and work on closing it. Let's turn this into a simple daily plan. Choose one short clip, 1 to 2 minutes long, each day. Listen to it 2 to 3 times without speaking. Shadow it 5 to 10 times, trying to match tone and rhythm. Record yourself once and compare it to the original. This whole process takes about 15 to 20 minutes a day, and if you do it consistently, your pronunciation and fluency will improve noticeably within just a few weeks. That's the shadowing technique, one of the most effective ways to sound more natural in English, used by actors and fluent speakers around the world. If this video helped you, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment which type of content you'll use to shadow: news, movies, or podcasts. See you in the